Hey guys, welcome back. So unfortunately I got a flat wheel, so in this video we're going to replace the flat wheel with the space saver wheel. Okay, to change the flat wheel we need access to the spare wheel, so let's lift up the boot. In a previous video I installed a little boot popper here so I can open up the boot without a key. This lifts up here and then it lifts up a second time, so it folds away like that. So first of all, undo that loads of times. I put a little nut there to stop this from wiggling around. Now we lift out this. Okay, by just sliding that forward a little bit more, it'll say put. And now we have access to the full toolkit. We can lift this up and out. Okay, so to take it out, we pull it back out of the way. We can then lift it up and it'll come straight up. So with our toolkit at hand, we can take out our center cap removing pin, hold it like that I suppose. It just slides into one of those little holes, give it a pull and off it comes. That's back in. So now we take out our jack and we take out our breaker bar. And what we're going to do first is just loosen each of those nuts the whole way around. Not take them off, but just crack them once open. Now after locating the seam, we put the jaws into the middle of the seam and we start winding it. So it's not a pumpy one, it's a exercise one. We keep going till the flat wheel is off the ground. Now with the wheel off the ground, all we have to do is put in the Audi breaker bar. We've already broken these loose while the wheel is on the ground. Now all we have to do is just wind them off and pull the wheel off. And we're back with the new tyre. Now we take our breaker bar, and while the wheel is still sitting on the ground with the weight of the car sitting on top of it, we can break them open. Okay, that's the last one now done. Next, the trolley jack goes underneath the car. Okay, let's jack that up. Now using our Milwaukee drill we can undo the nuts. Okay. Carefully. Let's take away our donut or space saver wheel. Okay, that was actually very easy. So it just sits there. Now we take our lug bolts, put them into the deep socket, put them in here, start the tread. Okay, that's enough done. And then we continue on until they're all in, and then we can use the impact just to drive them home. Okay, now to get the locking nut. To get the locking nut in, so I always leave these aside because I'm absolutely terrified of losing them. So it's a multi-spline with a spline here. So there's the two of them together. Right, now let's put them in. So there's our two tabs, so it goes in between here. And we'll start it off again with the deep socket. Now with the jack released and the tyre back on the ground, we can give each of the nuts a final torque. It's about one Stephen Ogoga. And always make sure after you put the lock nut in that the key comes out and doesn't get stuck in there, because you'll be down the road, it'll fly off, and next time you go to take off the wheel, you'll wonder, where the hell is the key? Now we take our cap, and these little lugs here and here, we try to line them up, and then we'll pop it in. And we're done. Guys, thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment and subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. And as always, thanks for watching. See you later. Push it.